In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image on ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen where you normally type messages and interact with ChatGPT. If you're new to the platform, don't worry because the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. After you arrive on the dashboard, direct your attention to the area below the main prompt box. This section contains additional tools and options that help you do more than just generate text. Depending on your screen size or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need should still be located underneath or near the prompt area. Once you find that section, click on Create an Image. This tells ChatGPT that instead of responding with text, you want it to generate a visual based on your description. This is the key setting that switches the task from a regular chat to image creation, so make sure you select it before entering your idea. Next, type in your prompt. Your prompt is simply the description of the image you want ChatGPT to create. The more clearly you describe the scene, style, lighting, mood, and important details, the better your result will usually be. Try to be specific, but keep your wording natural and easy to understand. For example, you could type something like, a neon-soaked futuristic city street at dusk, with flying cars, towering glass buildings, and shiny wet streets reflecting vibrant colors, cinematic lighting, slight atmospheric fog, and detailed background architecture. This is a strong prompt because it explains the setting, visual mood, and artistic details all in one request. If you want, you can use this structure as a model for your own ideas by describing the subject first and then adding style and atmosphere. When your prompt is ready, click the Send button. This submits your request and starts the image generation process. At this point, ChatGPT will begin creating the image based on the description you provided. Now, all you need to do is wait until your image is fully created. Generation can take a little time depending on the request, so be patient and give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, you'll be able to view the result and decide whether it matches what you had in mind. And that's how to create an image on ChatGPT. If your first result isn't exactly what you wanted, the best thing you can do is improve your prompt by making the description clearer and more detailed.